Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and we are going to prepare some plantain oats porridge with coconut milk. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It's KylieKitchen_1. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to go in and I'm going to peel my plantains. You always want to remove your skin from your plantain, and guys, just take your time to remove the skin, all right? Because if you don't, then it might break up and then, you know, it might cause a disaster. You don't want that. So just take your little time, no rush, and peel your plantains, all right? And remember, you can always go ahead and use your knife to scrape off any of the skin from your plantains. So now that I'm finished peeling my plantains, I'm going to go in and slice them up in not too small but medium-sized pieces. Add them to my blender because we're going to blend our plantains, all right? And remember, you can slice up your plantain according to how your blender can manage. So if your blender can't manage large amount of food, go ahead and slice them up, you know, in smaller pieces. I went in and add my oats, and then I'm gonna go in and add my coconut milk powder, and then I'm gonna also go in and add about 2.5 cups of water to this, and I'm gonna blend this for roughly about 5 minutes or until smooth. All right, so while I'm blending, I'm gonna go in and add just a small amount of water to a pot that I'm gonna cook my porridge in and allow it to come to a boil before I add the spices. All right, so this is the pot that I'm gonna prepare my porridge in. So I'm gonna go in and add some salt. I will also go in and add some cinnamon powder and also some nutmeg. All right guys, you can always remember, they have the nutmeg that is already grated. You can always go ahead and check that out and see if it works for you. All right, so I'm gonna combine all of this together and allow it to just cook for about a minute before I add the porridge mixture. As you can see, I also added some vanilla flavoring to this. All right, so after a minute, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in and add the porridge mixture. And I know a lot of you gonna ask why I did it this way by adding the vanilla, the nutmeg, and the cinnamon. Guys, when you do it like that, you get all of the flavor from your spices. All right, and whenever you add your porridge mixture, you always want to ensure that you stir constantly. That will prevent any lumps from coming in your porridge. All right, so to give it an extra flavor, I'm gonna go in and add just some more of the coconut milk powder, and you always want to stir. All right, so I'm gonna allow this to come to a boil, and this is what it looks like. And then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like after I finish cooking my porridge. Finish cooking. All right, and you always want to ensure that you turn on your stove on the lowest heat possible. Alright guys, so now that my porridge is all cooked, you see those bubbles in my porridge, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna sweeten it with my condensed milk. Remember that they have different condensed milk on the market. You can get the one with nutmeg, cinnamon, and vanilla flavoring. Alright, so I'm gonna sweeten this, and remember, you can also use some sugar to sweeten as well with your condensed milk. So you always want to sweeten to taste. Alright, alright guys, so this is my porridge. So I'm gonna serve this up and show you guys the final product of my plantain oats porridge with coconut milk. Stay tuned for the final product, guys. And there you have it, guys, the final product. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and I hope you guys go ahead and subscribe, and I hope you guys leave a comment and leave a like, leave a thumbs up, guys, for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.